Well, that's the reality of Titanic movie. I am the real actress on that movie. Somebody else took my place and released the different version. They stole my movie. Okay, that is just a joke. Don't take it seriously. I made that movie using this application, FaceOscar. So today I'm just gonna tell you about this application. So this is a paid application. This is entertainment related application. So it will cost you $1.99. For Android. For iOS, it will cost you $2.99. I don't know why, but iOS is always expensive, even the applications. So I'm on Android, so I'm just gonna review the Android version, but it will be same on Android and iOS. And I will also put link in the description for this application. You can go there and get the application and make your own movie. So first I'm just gonna open it, FaceOscar. So that's the application name, and you can see I am looking pretty handsome, and I'm gonna take a picture because why not? That's what we have to do to make our own movie. You know, or meme, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm just gonna take one picture. Okay, I took the picture, and there will be some previews of different movies you can see by yourself, and you can put your face on those movies, trailer or some good scene of that movie. So you saw the Titanic movie. Okay, I put myself into Titanic movie. Actually, I am not the actress of that Titanic movie. So let me see. Let me put it on other movie. Why not? I don't know. Oh, it's a Star Wars. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna click on this icon in the center. Act the movie. Okay, just below that. I'm gonna click on it. And let's see what happened. Okay. And it says view your videos. So I'm just gonna click on view my videos. As you can see, I have done some more editing. Like I have made 3 videos already. Okay. And you can see there's a icon saying editing, which means we have to wait for this application's owner to edit the video for us, and they will send the link to us. The link will be here, embedded here. We just have to click on download, and then we will be able to watch our own movie. For example, I'm just gonna watch this one till it edited itself, you know, edits my video. Okay, so you can see I'm in this movie. I should have taken my picture a little bright, so you can see. I don't know the movie name, but you can see I'm the actor of this movie. This is funny. And how about the Titanic? Okay, I shouldn't sing because I'm bad at singing. And you can see, boy loves me, okay? I'm not G-A-Y, but still boy loves me because I'm the actress. Okay, that is the only reason why he loves me. But for some reason I'm getting the errors. Okay, finally our movie is ready after getting 4 errors. I don't know what was the problem. Maybe my internet is slow. But now finally we can download the movie, whatever we have created. You can see once you download it, it will say watch, and you just have to click on download like that. I'm just gonna download both of them because I created 2 of them because I was getting the error. Now finally it's working. Downloading. Come on, do it. Okay, one of them is downloaded. Now we can watch our movie, I guess. Okay, we are gonna watch this one first. Okay, I think I showed you this one. I mean, I created the duplicate of that, but let's watch this one. Okay. Oh, look at that. I'm something in the movie, actor. Okay, why are they pushing me? I don't remember. It's been a long time when since I shot this movie. I don't know. Okay, maybe 10 years. Who remembers the old days? No one does that. Okay. I'm shooting. Now you can just share this video to anyone. Okay, to anyone. I'm just gonna share this movie to my, not this one, I'm just gonna share this one to my friend, I guess. Let's see. Okay, I have to watch it. Share. I'm gonna share to Jeremy. Okay, I'm gonna share this. Okay, let's see his reactions. Okay, I want to see his reaction, his reply.
A few inches later.
That's it. That's it. So that's how you create your own movie for $1.99. This application should be free because they are also promoting the movie. You can see they are saying buy the movie on Amazon. If you click on it, it's an affiliate link. So they are making the money a lot of way. They are selling the application and they are promoting the movie, and they are also they also have a what was that? Yeah, the logo on the video, you can see it says FaceOscar. So it's paid, but it shouldn't be here. The logo shouldn't be here because we paid for it. I don't know, it's just my opinion, but it looks cool. The application is cool. You can make yourself an actor of any movie, not any, but few selected movie, whatever they have in the application. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the application. I will put a link in the description for iOS and Android. You can go there and get the FaceOscar application and make yourself actor or actress of the movie. And that's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.